dear tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you've already subscribed my YouTube channel. If you haven't, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I keep releasing. So friends, as you're aware, we have two channels, Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi and Tarot Reader Shefali in English, especially for the global audience who are more acquainted and comfortable with English language. Friends, I also have a new channel, new brand under the name Astro Vruksh by Shefali. It is going to be a parent brand and Tarot Reader Shefali will be a sub part of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Astro Vruksh by Shefali, I offer integrated destiny management solutions where I cover tarot reading, astro tarot, astrology, Vedic, KP astrology, Vastu, Astro Vastu, palmistry, numerology, healing therapies, crystal therapy, as well as spiritual guidance, everything in my own capacity. Wherever I feel there is a need and connect as per your problem or a solution is possible through this or other stream, I try to offer it to optimize the result for you. So that is what this new brand is going to get for you. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube channel, Instagram page, Facebook page and Facebook group of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Do join me on Facebook group of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. In coming month, we will be doing a lot of activities over there. Right now, it's a small group, so the activities are quite limited, but we'll be doing more and more activities as we go ahead in the journey. So without wasting too much of time, let me tell you that I'm going to do monthly predictions for your sun sign on special request from many of my followers and subscribers. They are more inclined towards sun sign based prediction, and then comes pick a card reading for them. So we are going to again start with sun sign based predictions. Let's see what's in cards for your sun sign for the month of March 2020. Let's see what's in cards for Aquarians for the month of March 2021. Hi Aquarians, let's see what's in cards for you for March 2021. We'll start with your energy oracle card. We have the thinking woman energy in your which is surrounding your month. So which is a good energy in a way, because there is a lady who is going to be a very intelligent and a smart lady who is going to guide you in the coming month. It could be you yourself if you are a lady, and it could be somebody you know, your friend in your friend circle, your family, or some lady who really has a good interest at heart, and she is also intelligent, so she is there to guide you, she is here to help you and take you to next level in your life. So take a help of this lady, because she is really going to be of good help to you in the coming month. She is going to influence your month in a very important way. So for each one of you, it will be in a different way, because everybody is going through different life cycle. This lady will be somebody, it could be a mother for somebody, it could be you yourself, it could be your sister, your colleague, your friend, or somebody who really is interested to guide you and who is very well off in terms of intellectual skills and knowledge, who is going to help you in the coming month to attain your life purpose or direction in your life. So let's start with your relationship. So in relationship, I can see you going through a little tough time, friends. Aquarius especially, I can see you being through a lot in the relationship, in the sense maybe somewhere you have struggled your way to establish a position in your relationship, but people have gone against you, situation has gone against you, and right now you're not feeling as empowered as you used to feel in the relationship to control your relationship. This could be your marriage, this could be your relationship with friends and family. Currently the relationship which is suffering, you can take it as the advice for that relationship which is going through a tough time and you are really feeling out of control in this relationship. So here the message, the advice for you is to not compare two relationships. Somewhere you have to accept certain boundaries of the relationship and certain expectations that a relationship bring with you as a husband, as a wife, as a mother, as a daughter, as a sister, or as a family or a friend. So you have to understand the boundaries of that particular relationship, that particular sector, and just accordingly define your expectations. Otherwise this relationship is going to get tougher and tougher. because you might not be able to control it, because people are going, more and more people are turning against you, and you are not able to have a stand and a control in the relationship. Coming to your career, we have World card in the right position. Now this card is suggesting that you are in the optimum phase in your career, a very beautiful career phase coming by. If at all you are suffering, there is a high possibility that you will be gaining something good out of that, and you will be minting a lot of good opportunities in your career segment. You will be presented with good opportunities. Entire world is going to help you to make things happen for you in your career. There is a tough time which either was there or which is currently, which you're going through, which is making you into a tougher person even in the career phase, but that is, you are protected. So even though the time is tough, you are still protected, you are covered with the shield, and you are learning out of it. So though you are bearing though you are getting little affected by the heat of it, you are not burning in that fire which is right now in the market. So you are still safe, and you will be taken care of by the world. So here career looks safe. Relationship might suffer a bit. You have to be little realistic and patient in handling relationship. With regards to finances, maybe you will be forced to take certain financial decisions which you are not very comfortable with, but this decision is meant to be taken, and it is going to be for your good. So just be aware about that. Don't resist this decision making, because it is very important for you. Slow down in your decision making. Don't jump to anything unless you're convinced, unless you have really analyzed the opportunities, but do explore it, because you might have to really take these decisions whether you like it or not. With regards to your health looks quite balanced, it looks quite fine. You will be in the reasoning state of mind, analytical state of mind. Your intuitive skills look really high in the coming month, and you might take really out of the box approach to take care of your health, to take care of your health regime, and that is going to be a good approach, of course, because you are thinking differently to make things happen for you in terms of your health, whether it is a spiritual health, whether it is physical health or emotional health. You will be taking care of it, and you will be getting right guidance from the right authority in this matter also. So health looks quite decent in the coming month. Now chakra advice card is advising, it is suggesting that in the coming month you might be surprised to know your life purpose, or you might be enlightened to know your know your real life purpose, and you might be guided towards it. So your intuition is going to be high, and it's going to guide you towards a life purpose. It's upon you whether to accept it and whether to imbibe it in your day-to-day lifestyle and move towards it, or to postpone it. So totally it's in your hands. Have you asked angels for help on this? Wherever you feel stuck, angels are suggesting that they are there for you. You just have to ask for help. By angels, I mean angels, divine authority, God, whoever you term it as. It's there for you, for your help, for your rescue. Just ask for help, and you will be surprised that you will be blessed with the help. So just take care, Aquarians. I hope this month really brings an insightful transformation in you. I really hope that this video, this reading will help you to plan your coming month in the best possible fashion. Don't forget, this is a general reading, so take it as a guiding light and not the verdict. Use it to plan your month wisely. Wherever you feel that there is a need of personal guidance, you can connect with me on my mobile number or on my email ID. You can put me a message on WhatsApp number, on Instagram page, on Facebook page, wherever you feel the need, and wherever you feel the need to connect and get the help, you can connect with me over there. You can share my videos with your friends and family on WhatsApp groups, on Facebook group, and multiple other groups, so that more and more people can get help out of these free readings and free guidance. Don't forget to comment on my videos. I am more than eager to know your feedback on the videos. Your feedback only has helped me to start the sun sign race predictions again. So don't forget to share your feedback. Don't forget to share the topics for your pick a card reading. I'll try to accommodate it across the coming months. And I really want to thank all the people who are already part of my journey and would like to welcome new people on board. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and as well as on YouTube channel, especially for these new subscribers. Take care, guys. Keep in touch. I hope to help you in my capacity. Take care.